Hey everyone, welcome to week 10. It is Tuesday, March 30th, and I'm just gonna check in here, walk through what we're doing this week. Um, Thursday is April 1st, so we are really moving into the last couple weeks of the semester already. Um, so in this week you're reading chapter 7 of Outliers. It's probably my favorite chapter. Don't let that influence you. But it's really fascinating. It gets into how cultural um, uh, traits or values can affect decision making, specifically in relation to how one in these examples how a pilot um, communicates when there's a problem. Um, so it's very, I think it's a really interesting chapter. The final draft of Essay 3 is due on Sunday. And so I'm working through giving feedback on those drafts. I'll make sure that they're all finished by tomorrow at the latest. And if you have questions about my comments, let me know. But I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone's final draft on Sunday. Looking ahead to Essay 4, that is posted. You'll see that you are required to do a little bit of research on your own, finding a source from EBSCOhost. If you're not familiar with what EBSCOhost is, it's okay. I don't expect people to know what that is. It's a database that the college library pays for, and there are some links in this week's module to help out with that. So you can learn what EBSCO is, how to use it, etc. No quizzes this week, and there is a discussion. Bell Hooks, what is a author, activist. She's a feminist. She's a Black Studies scholar, and so you're going to be reading her essay, "Love as the Practice of Freedom," and then just share your thoughts, right? So looking at this idea of social change, right? How, and I think this is very relevant, it's been relevant for decades. It certainly seems very relevant in this country, in this day and age. So that is what you're doing this week. I just want to pop back here. So this is where you're submitting Essay 3. Here's the discussion. Oh, this survey, I posted it last week. It's not required, but if you do feel like, we have, like I said, we've got essentially a month left, 4 weeks left in this semester. So if you have ideas for me that you want to share, they're not, it's anonymous. When I see the results, I won't see anyone's name. So it's just, there's no points, so, but if you want to offer some feedback, you can complete that little survey. So these are those library tools that I mentioned. So it's how to access EBSCOhost, how to use the right search terms, how to cite in MLA when the articles that you find. You only need to find one for Essay 4. Here's the Essay 4 assignment, okay? And looking ahead, you can see the rough draft is going to be due on the 14th. So look through the essay assignment. Your main priority is finishing Essay 3 because that is due Sunday. But I wanted to, kind of get the ball rolling, as it were, with Essay 4 as well. And don't forget, the last day of classes is Monday, April 26th. So this, double check that. This coming Thursday, as I said, is April 1st. Yeah, Monday, April 26th is the last day of class. So we are almost at the finish line. So hang in there. Everyone's doing a great job. I know we're tired and we're dealing with a lot still. The pandemic has not gone away. More people are getting vaccinated, which is good, but we have to keep taking those precautions and try to keep ourselves and our neighbors and our families, safe and healthy. So, all right. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. And good luck finishing those Essay 3 papers, and I look forward to reading them. All right. Have a good rest of the week. Bye-bye.